Welcome to Sunday Buffet. Just like picking different foods at a buffet, today we have questions from all kinds of topics. Ready? Keep your eyes open, a ghost fact could appear at any time. Which fruit is commonly associated with the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? You got it, apple! Which game involves rolling a ball along the ground to knock down wooden pins? Correct, bowling. What is the job of someone who tells pilots where to go in the sky and on the ground? Correct, air traffic controller. What tool might a buffet worker use to keep the food area clean? Correct, a broom. What do bees collect from flowers? That's right, pollen. Why should you only take as much food as you can eat at a buffet? That's right, all of the above. What do you call a song that is easy to remember and often used in commercials? You got it, a jingle. What fruit is a good source of vitamin A and has a large seed inside? Correct, mango. What is a traditional food eaten during Passover? You got it, matzah. What fruit has a tough, spiky outer layer and a sweet, custard-like flesh inside? Correct, durian. You crushed it! Hit follow and come back tomorrow for animals.